Car gearbox secrets most drivers don't know. Do you want to understand how car gears work in the simplest way possible?
As you can see inside, the gears control the balance of speed and power. In high gear, we get speed, but shifting down.
In first gear, a small input gear drives a large output gear, providing maximum torque. As we shift to a higher gear,
And this is how the clutch helps in smooth gear shifting. It momentarily disconnects the power, allowing the gears to synchronize effortlessly.
The main difference between manual and automatic transmissions lies in the gear ratio, which we can easily visualize right here.
Want to understand how car gears work in the simplest way possible? Have you ever wondered how a car changes speed so smoothly? The secret lies in the gearbox, also known as the transmission system. A car engine produces power, but this power needs to be controlled before it reaches the wheels. That's where gears come in. Gears help adjust speed and torque depending on driving conditions. Let's start with the basics. Inside a gearbox, there are multiple gears of different sizes. These gears are connected to shafts. When you shift gears, you are actually selecting different gear combinations. In first gear, the engine connects to a larger gear. This provides more torque, but less speed.
That's why first gear is used when starting the car or climbing hills.
In second and third gears, the balance between speed and torque improves. The car moves faster while still maintaining enough power. In higher gears like fourth and fifth, the engine connects to smaller gears. This reduces torque but increases speed. These gears are used for highway driving. Now, let's talk about the clutch. The clutch is a key component in manual cars.
As the pedal is depressed, the clutch disc separates from the flywheel, temporarily interrupting the power flow to the gearbox. It temporarily disconnects the engine power. This allows you to change gears smoothly without damaging the system. When you release the clutch slowly, the engine reconnects to the gearbox, and power flows to the wheels again. In automatic cars, the system works differently. Instead of a manual clutch, automatic transmissions use a torque converter and sensors to change gears automatically based on speed and load. Another important concept is gear ratio. Gear ratio determines how many times the engine turns compared to the wheels. A higher gear ratio gives more power,
but less speed, while a lower gear ratio gives more speed but less power.
This is why cars need multiple gears to perform efficiently at different speeds and driving conditions.
To summarize, gears help control how power from the engine is delivered to the wheels. Lower gears provide more power,
And higher gears provide more speed. Understanding gears not only helps you drive better,
but also improves your knowledge of how vehicles work. Subscribe us for more car tips videos. Thanks for watching.